Hey guys, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to be using Sublimation Spray to see if it works on a cotton t-shirt. Have you ever tried using this kind of spray before? Let's get into it and find out if it works. Should you have any questions along the way, leave them in the comments down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. So this is the spray that I will be using here. It's a sublimation coating by Scdom. Sorry, I probably didn't pronounce that right, but let's see if it works. A customer brought this in for me to use. They wanted sublimation, but they wanted them on cotton t-shirts. I've personally never used this before, but they had quite a bit of experience with this, so they were comfortable with me using this spray on their t-shirt. And so this is what the bottle looks like. As we can see here, this is the directions, how to use, the ingredients and everything on the bottle. If you'd like to take a screenshot of it, pause your video and go ahead and read it. So in this next clip, I'm just going to go ahead and begin using it. It says to spray a coat evenly all over the shirt, so that's what I'm going to do here. So it did say to either spray or pat it or smear it on the t-shirt, so I went ahead and went to go grab a glove just to protect my skin, and I'm going to go ahead and just pat that in, make sure everything is nice and covered. It does say to let it dry before you press your design, so I'm just going to go ahead and let that dry for a bit. So in this next clip, I'm just going to go ahead and put on my design the way I normally do. Just make sure I measure everything, press it just the way I would normally press a polyester shirt, and let's see if it works. The instructions were very straightforward. Basically just shake the bottle up, spray or smear, let it dry, and then press. Alrighty, so here I'm just going to be pressing it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds like I normally do. Alrighty, now it's all done. Now it's the moment of truth. I'm going to remove the Teflon sheet and the parchment paper. As you can see here, I am a little bit hesitant to remove it because it is sticky. I didn't know if this was something normal, if this was supposed to be happening, so I just took my time with it. Here I'm a bit hesitant to remove it. Normally sublimation transfers come off really quickly, very easily, no hassle at all. But with this stuff, it is sticky. It is very difficult to remove from the shirt. Peel it right back. You can see here, it's peeling off, pretty cool, but it is tacky, it is sticky, but that image looks pretty good. So for being pressed on a cotton t-shirt, it does look very vibrant, very nice, very colorful. So you can see here, I think it did a pretty good job. Have you ever used a spray like this before? And if you have, do you like it? Does it work for you? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, so I would greatly appreciate the support over there. Should you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. Thank you. Have a great day.